Well, we're standing here outside number 10 Fownes Street Upper, which was the site of the original Hirschfeld Centre in Temple Bar. I opened it on St. Patrick's Day 1979. There wasn't much money around then, and I put all the money into it myself. We had a restaurant, a cinema, a discotheque, a library, counselling rooms, a publishing house. It was a hive of activity. There was nothing else in Temple Bar except the Foggy Jew pub, which is still there, but was only a quarter the size. There was a barber shop, which is still there, and the Project Theatre at the extreme end. But apart from that, there was absolutely nothing else. We ran discos not just for gay people, but also for women's issues, for environmental issues and so on. Brought young people into this area. They saw the possibility. They took short-term leases. They opened up second-hand clothes shops, postcard shops, all this kind of stuff, and they lifted Temple Bar. And so I would claim that number 10 Fownes Street, the Hirschfeld Centre, is what caused Temple Bar. I called it the Hirschfeld Centre after the late Dr. Magnus Hirschfeld, who was a pioneering psychologist. He was gay. He was the leader of the gay movement in Germany at the end of the 19th and the beginning of the 20th centuries. And of course, he was both Jewish and gay. So the first thing Hitler did when he came to power in 1933 was to attack the Hirschfeld Centre and destroy it. He burnt all the records, and Hirschfeld was extirpated from history. So I thought, here's somebody who needs to be revived, who needs to be memorialized. And this building behind me here was the first Hirschfeld Centre in the world. It wasn't universally popular, although it was very popular with gay people. On the opening night, I expected about 150 people. 200 people got in, another 300 people out in the street. It was absolutely amazing. But there were various attacks on it, arson attacks. There was a bomb attack. I went up and found a bomb on the roof. I defused it and got the police, and the disco went ahead. You can't stop gay people dancing. So it had a very much a checkered period and checkered history. Now, everything in Temple Bar got funded by central government. The Ark, the Children's Thing, the Project Theatre, everything was funded. The one group that never got a single penny was the group that started it, the Hirschfeld Centre. When it was destroyed by fire, I tried to get it going again, but it was impossible. And because it was the start of Temple Bar, I've approached Dublin City Council and asked them, and they have agreed, but they haven't done it yet, to put up a plaque, a blue plaque marking the historical situation, that this was the start of Temple Bar. I would like to see it recognised. But here we are, a little piece of history, the Magnus Hirschfeld Centre, opened by Dr. Noel Brown in March 1979.